friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing an unboxing video on Yesstyle and I will be trying on clothing, accessories. This video is not sponsored, so everything that I review is purely my opinion, although I do have a Yesstyle code that you can use. It's Kayzilla21 and you can find it in the description box along with all the items that I tried on today. For those of you who don't know, Yesstyle is a website that hosts a platform for other little brands to sell their products and skincare and all that stuff on. Kind of like an Amazon for Asian fashion. Oh yeah, also, not that I'm here to brag or anything, but I actually have been shopping on Yesstyle for a really long time. The website started out as Yes Asia, and I used to buy albums, like K-pop albums, off of Yes Asia back in like 2009 because I was a huge K-pop fan, still a K-pop fan. I'm a very long time buyer and I do have a lot of tips that maybe one day I will share. Fun fact, Yesstyle is actually a company from Hong Kong, and as a person who has descent from Hong Kong, I am proud to say that I've actually been supporting a company from Hong Kong since 2009, which is nice. Okay friends, I have a confession. I'm not a real blonde. No, I'm kidding. Okay, so my real confession is that I've recently, in the last year or so, been trying not to purchase too many things online and too many things that attribute to fast fashion, just because I think it's really wasteful. I haven't bought very many clothes off of Yesstyle in the last year or so because I've been trying to like upcycle my clothing or like make anything that I want, hence the macrame and the sewing that I was doing. I just wanted to say that I don't like to be wasteful and buy anything that I'm not going to use or wear. So every 6 months or so, I might just do a little haul on the things that I buy. It's really hard because I do love buying clothes and I love unboxing videos. Like honestly, I watch so many unboxing videos all the time because I just love watching people getting things and opening packages. Okay, let's dive into the packages. Got my extremely large scissors for this extremely large unboxing. Yeah, man. Okay. First things first. I'm the realist. You guys remember that song? Well, okay. I don't know why I said like that. First up, we have this cat shirt that Will actually picked out for me because he was like, oh, I think you'll look good in this. And I was like, oh, I think I'll look good in this too. And then we bought it. It's really thin. Oh, I bought an extra large.
After putting on this cat shirt, I found that it was really easy to style. Although it is a little sheer, the uniqueness of the garment actually makes up for how thin it is. The cat shirt gets a good review from me.
Up next, we have ASMR. I got you here. Actually, this is a really annoying sound if that was ASMR. So next, we have this A-line dress that I thought would look really nice at a park or a garden or something like that. It's called a short sleeve floral midi A-line dress.
This A-line dress was so beautiful. The only thing for me was that the waist was a little bit loose. Otherwise, the dress is super comfortable and very flowy.
No, I'm kidding, okay. This is a little ruched crop top that I bought. I have this already in green, but I also wanted it in pink because I feel like I haven't gotten very many tank tops in the last like 3 years or something. Like all my tank tops are from a long time ago and they're really there's like little balls on them and they're kind of old, so I wanted to refresh my wardrobe with a new tank top.
Since I own this tank top, I already knew how it would fit. The material on the tank top is actually really nice and I love how it ruches at the front. Check out this cute little black skirt that I made myself.
Ah, yes, I remember buying this. It's just a long sleeve crop top. I felt like I didn't have very many tight long sleeve things. Like everything I own that's long sleeve is like loose or like a boyfriend cut kind of thing, because I do buy a lot of men's long sleeve t-shirts just because why not.
When I put on the shirt, I was so surprised by the sleeves. They have slits in them, which is a little detail that I didn't know about when I ordered it. I think this shirt is very versatile, and you could wear it out on a casual day or to the club.
Oh yeah, I was really excited to try this on. It has the lettuce leaf edge on the side here. This is one of the things I was most excited for just because it's very summer this year. Like, it's very in trend, so hopefully it will look good.
I felt so cute wearing this lettuce edge shirt. I bought it in a size small, and I think that if anyone had a chest a little bit bigger than me, they would have to size up.
This. So I bought these pants because I really liked how they look like casual pajama bottoms, except they're not. Anyways, feeling it though, this is actually better quality than I expected it to be. But we have to test the wash. Like, after one wash, will it be the same? That's the real deal. So far, they look pretty good. Doesn't feel thin, which is nice. I thought they would be like really thin, but they aren't. And there's pockets. Oh, that's always a bonus. Let's see how this looks.
Oh my goodness, I loved this pair of pants. It felt so comfortable, and the material is actually really thick, which is so surprising. I just felt so comfortable in this pair of pants. It just felt like I was wearing really thick PJs, which was kind of nice.
Now we're on to the smaller accessory type things. So let's see what's in the bag. I bought a hair clip, like a hair claw. Just because the hair claw that I bought from Shoppers Drug Mart wasn't big enough, like my hair wouldn't hold. But let's find out. Let's see if this one's good. Also, I'm like really bad at doing hair. Like, if anyone knows me, I'm not a good hairstyle person. Oh, it does work. It fits. How it look? I have no idea how it looks, but it fits. It fits all my hair, which is nice. Next, I bought sunglasses because I don't have any sunglasses. Oh, these are really big. Let's see. Oh. Whoa. They're kind of big on my face. What do you think? Oh, I think they make me look like a bug. Let's keep going. Oh, I bought another pair of sunglasses. I bought two, just because I don't know. I always end up buying 2 pairs of sunglasses, like every 5 years. And it's funny because I don't wear those sunglasses. Will wears those sunglasses all the time. So maybe he'll wear these sunglasses. We don't know. So these ones are rose tinted. They're supposed to be like pink tinted. I don't know why I chose this, but I don't know, fashion. Whoa. Everything looks green. What do you think about this one? I'll show you what it looks like. Do you see the green? I'm green, right? I think I have to look at the footage again and then see what it looks like on my face to give a good review on these. But so far they just feel like sunglasses you would find at like H&M or Forever 21, Zara or something. Like, they don't feel cheap, but they don't feel expensive. Okay, yeah, buy at your own risk, because neither of them say UVA or UVB protected. So, well, we don't know. So sometimes when you order things on Yesstyle, they actually give you free gifts. This is their 15th anniversary gift for people who shop on their website. So basically, they said to celebrate going green, they give you a bamboo spoon, fork, and straw. And this little cute pouch to carry it around, which is kind of nice. The hair is coming down. It's actually a good clip. It worked really well. Okay, friends, that was a long one. Hope you had fun trying on clothes with me and seeing what I bought. I'm so happy I got to do an unboxing video. It's like my guilty pleasure. But as I said before, I'm going to try my best not to order so many things online, or at least order things that have more sustainable packaging. So if you enjoyed your time watching this video, please subscribe and like this video. That will really help and support my little channel. I'm hoping to grow it more and more. So yeah. Okay, I will catch you later. Bye-bye. since Yesstyle is a Hong Kong brand, that is why I am drinking Vita today. This video is not sponsored, just like drinking things.